everybody, it's Nick from Fullsend Organics, and today we're going over the BRF Multipurpose Super Grow Bag. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step adventure and let you know every single way to use this, start to finish, what to expect, what it includes. So let's break it all down and see what makes this bag special. BRF stands for brown rice flour, and this video is actually for a longtime customer who we just wanted to do something special for. It's multi-purpose because with just 4 to 6 cc's, the bag will actually do all of the work for you. It takes a little over a month to become fully colonized. Break and shake is always an optional step. Now, when it comes to multi-purpose, once this bag is fully colonized, you can actually put some gloves on and become in a controlled environment. You can use things like the DIY flow hood, but if you're gonna be in your house, you're gonna always wanna make sure that the air conditioning is off, you don't have any fans on. Always just kind of turn everything off, and then I usually let things sit for about 20 minutes if, again, you don't have the equipment. Allowing everything to just sit and settle for about 20 minutes just helps a little tiny bit more with contamination reduction. All of those particles and everything else that's floating around in the air should have time to settle. It's not a guarantee, but it's the best route to take if you don't have all of the equipment. With just one 3.5 pound BRF Multipurpose Super Grow Bag, you can inoculate hundreds of bags of Uncle Ben's. You can also put some gloves on and peel a little bit off and put it directly onto agar, which will allow you to continue whatever you're studying and having fun with at the time. Now, let's talk about what makes this bag tick. BRF stands for brown rice flour. It's a time-tested substrate ingredient, best known for its role in PF tech methods. On its own, BRF is a solid nutritional value, but for optimal results, it's usually paired with other components. That is where this mix shines. Inside of the BRF Multipurpose Super Grow Bag, you'll find a clean, carefully balanced combination of brown rice flour, vermiculite, and, in some versions, gypsum. We've got all of that packed in here, along with our nutritional mix. The vermiculite helps to maintain moisture and airflow throughout the substrate, creating the kind of environment that mushrooms love to thrive on. It's balanced, it's breathable, and it's nutrient rich. What makes it truly special is how it's ready to use. This bag arrives fully sterilized, pre-packaged, no mixing, no pressure cooking, no guesswork. All you need to do is inoculate with your favorite spore syringe or liquid culture, 4 to 6 cc's, seal it all up, and let nature do its thing. That's it. Because of its design, it works well with a wide range of species that perform well on BRF-based substrates. That's something that we'll break down in another video. It's great for smaller to medium-scale grows, especially for hobbyists and home cultivators. Just keep in mind, if you're working with species that need bulk substrates like straw or sawdust, this may not be the way to go. But in most common varieties, it's a solid choice. Now, safety first, and this is something that is really important to me. Anytime that you're working with needles, syringes, or culture materials, please make sure it's in a clean, sterile space and follow all the proper protocols. Clean your hands, put some gloves on, have a steady setup. All of that can make all the difference when you're avoiding contamination. And we teach you how to do all of this on our Patreon page, from building your own DIY flow hood on a budget, to proper procedure, and so much more. At the time of this customer's request, and before we wrap up today, it actually was happening to be World Schizophrenia Awareness Day. So I just want to take a moment and hold space for the importance of mental health. I deal with bipolar and ADHD. I'm a huge believer that life always finds a way. And while mushroom cultivation isn't a cure-all, it's a powerful, mindful practice that really helps people reconnect with their routine, slow down, and stay grounded. We honor that. And the journey of each of us is on. So there you have it. This is the BRF Multipurpose Super Grow Bag. Simple, sterile, effective, and ready when you are. You can find it now at fullsendorganics.com. Always grow smart, stay safe, and Fullsend. Much love. One last thing. If we missed anything at all, the bags always come with start to finish instructions, and we have tutorials on the website in every single product description. There's a start to finish video. This one will be up there as well. You can always learn more with us on Patreon. And if you ever have any questions or concerns or feedback, feel free to hit the contact button on our website and reach out. We'll get back to you in 24 to 48 hours. Much love. Life always finds a way. Anything that you put your mind to, you can do, and mental health matters.